तेरी उंगली प्यारे आवे, तेरी उंगली प्यारे आवे, बुरा तो बिना कोई ना पड़े।
Suppose this A to this B, A to B. Suppose this is 10 kilometer, and from this B to C, it is 20 kilometer. Not 20 kilometer, but it is suppose 4 kilometer. 4 kilometer. So this 10 kilometer and 4 kilometer, these are the total distances from. Suppose the reference point is 0. For this reference point 0, this is 10. And for the vertical, this is reference point 0, then this is 4. So what we have done, first of all, we have moved 10 places toward right side on the this horizontal line, and afterward we have moved 4 places on the upside. So this place is at the 10 units, 10 kilometer towards the left of A. A is the reference point, and from this B, this C point is at the on the above the 4 kilometer, means location of this is decided. This type of location deciding done in the coordinate geometry. For that, what we do? First of all, what we do? We divide the given plane into 4 parts. We divide the given plane into 4 parts. Let us first of all we divide the given plane into 4 parts. 4 parts. These 4 parts are called the quadrant. 4 parts are called the quadrant. This is called the first quadrant. This is called second quadrant. This is called third quadrant, and this is called fourth quadrant. What I say, if you want to locate the point somewhere, then what we do? We put the horizontal line, that is called x-axis, this vertical line, that is called y-axis, and this plane is divided due to these 2 axes. This plane is divided into 4 parts. This is x-axis, but it is positive. From, let us say this is reference point is 0, then it is positive x-axis, and this is negative x-axis. This is positive y, and this is negative y. Now what we do? We take some from this reference point equal distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the on the positive axis. These points are called the these are just on the number line. These are the natural number. And on the left side we take -1, -2, -3, -4, just like number line. On the vertical line we do the same. What is on the upper side? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, and -4. So what we have done? We have divided the given plane into 4 parts. These 4 parts are called the quadrants. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Now suppose we have got this point here. Here this point A is there. Suppose this point A is there. For A, what we do? We have to move 3 places toward the right on the x-axis. Means this is what say for reaching A, we have to move 3 places toward right and 1 place up. Means this is the location of this point A, and this point A is 3, 1. 3 is point on the, this is distance on the x-axis, and this is on the y-axis, and this is called the order pair. 3, 1 is called the order pair. This 3 here is called abscissa. 3 here is called abscissa. Abscissa means x coordinate, and 1 is called the ordinate. 1 is called ordinate. So first of all, what we do? We divide the given plane into 4 parts. We divide the given plane into 4 parts, and this part is called first quadrant, this part is called second quadrant, this part is called third quadrant, and this is what's a fourth quadrant. In this quadrant, what first quadrant, what we do in this first quadrant, if you take any point, then you find that x and y both coordinates are positive. Suppose this point B is there, then what happens? This B, suppose this point B is there, then it is 2 and it is 3, means it is 2, 3. B point is 2, 3. B point is 2, 3. It means that in this first quadrant, both x coordinate and y coordinate both are positive. In first quadrant, x coordinate and y coordinate both are positive. Suppose take a second quadrant. These quadrants are in the anti-clockwise direction. This quadrant are moving in a anti-clockwise, not in the direction. Suppose this second quadrant is there. Second quadrant is there. Suppose we have taken this point, say this A point, this is C. C. Now this C point is point say C here. Then it is on the x-axis. It is -3, and it is divided the given plane into four parts. Given plane into four parts. These four parts are called the quadrant. Four parts are called the quadrants. This first part, quadrant is 4. Quadrant is 1/4. This first part is called the first quadrant. This is called the second quadrant. This is third quadrant. And this is fourth quadrant. Now you know how to represent integer on number line. Suppose this is 0. Then what happens? This is say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is positive x-axis. This horizontal axis is called x-axis. Horizontal axis is called the x-axis. And this is on the number line. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. So this is negative x-axis. This is positive x-axis. And on the upper side, again, he written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is positive axis and this is negative axis. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, so on. So he divided the given plane into four parts. Each part is called the quadrant. Now, how to nominate or nomenclature of this quadrant? This is called the first quadrant. First quadrant means first 1/4. Quadrant means 1/4. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. Now this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrant are in the anti-clockwise direction. Means it is not in clockwise direction. It is in the anti-clockwise direction. Now suppose we want to represent this A point. Suppose say this A point. For this A point, we have to move two places on the right side of x-axis and one places on the y-axis towards the upper side. So this is what say two places on x-axis means it is 2, 1. This is called order pair or it is called Cartesian coordinate. Now this 2, 1 is the coordinate of A. This 2 is called x coordinate and this 1 is called y coordinate. X coordinate is also called abscissa. X coordinate is also called abscissa and y coordinate is called the ordinate. Till what we have seen, again I am repeating. This plane is divided into four parts. Each part is called a quadrant. This is called first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Suppose this point A is there, then its coordinates are 2, 1 means for locating A we have to move two places toward the right on the x-axis and move one place upward on the y-axis and two places on the x-axis. This A point coordinate of A point is 2, 1. This is 2, 1. First coordinate represent x coordinate and second coordinate represent y coordinate. This cannot be interchangeable. I cannot write 2, 1 as a 1, 2. 2 1 is fixed. Suppose another point say this point is this say B, yes say. For B, what we have to move three places. Three places means three places on the x-axis and four places on the y-axis means it represents 3 4. This B is 3 4. Just I'm removing all this. Just removing all this. This is what say first quadrant. First quadrant. First quadrant. What we have done? First of all, we have represent this point A. This point A is 2 1. And another point say this point is say this point B. B is this on the x coordinate this 3 and y coordinate 4 means it is 3 4. This 3 is x coordinate and 4 is y coordinate. This x coordinate is called abscissa, abscissa, and this y coordinate is called ordinate. Called ordinate. Abscissa means x coordinate and ordinate means y coordinate. X axis is not called abscissa. Y axis is not called ordinate. X coordinate is called abscissa. Y coordinate is called ordinate. So in the first quadrant, both x and y coordinates are positive. In the first quadrant, both x and y coordinate are positive. Now let us move to second quadrant. Suppose in second quadrant, say this point is, say C is there. C. Suppose this point is C is there. Now how this C? For C we have to move four places on the left side or on the x-axis. It means it is -4. It is -4. And one place on the upper side means it is. So coordinates of this C is -4 1. Similarly, let us say this point say D say. For D, what we have to do? We have to move two place on the left side on the x-axis and five place on the y-axis means it is -2 5. So coordinate of this D is -2 5 and coordinate of this for C is -4 1. It means that in the huh? बोली. In that in this second quadrant we have find that this is what say x coordinate means abscissa and this is y coordinate means this ordinate. This x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive means this is negative and positive. So in second quadrant x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive. Okay. Now let us see what happened with third quadrant. In a third quadrant, let us say this point. Let us say this point is there. Say it is the E. Say this E point is 4 on the y-axis means it is 4, and it is -1 on the x-axis means it is -1. So order pair is -1 4 means for getting E we have to move towards left one place means -1. This is -1 and this is 4. So this point is point of intersection of this -1 and 4. It is -1 4. So this -1 is x coordinate and 4 is y coordinate. Suppose another point is yeah, it is -4. It is -4. It is -4. So -1 -4. Minus, correct. -1 -4. Another point say, suppose this point say this point F say. F for F, what we have to do? -2, and it is -2. So for the F, we have to move left two places and towards down two places. Down means minus, means it is -2 -2. Overall, in the third quadrant, x and y coordinate both are negative. Clear? Now in first quadrant both are positive. In second quadrant x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. In third quadrant both coordinates are negative. Okay. So first of all, we remove all this and do freshly, because now this figure is looking somewhat. uh, About the fourth quadrant, let us see about fourth quadrant. Suppose we have taken this point, say F. Suppose say this G point is there. For G point, what we have to do? We have to move towards the right side three places. Means this is x coordinate is 3, and toward the bottom side, toward the lower side, one place, means it is -1. Means G point, coordinate of the G point is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Suppose they say another point, H point, say H point, this is 2, means x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is -3. So it is 2 minus 3. So in fourth quadrant, x coordinate and y coordinate are कैसे हो? X coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. Now let us see again. In this quadrant first, x and y कैसे है? X coordinate positive, y coordinate positive. In second quadrant, what are how this xy? In this xy, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. In third quadrant, both x and y negative. One student has done correction also in me. So both are negative. And in fourth quadrant, x coordinate positive and y coordinate is negative. You all get it?